Hi everyone, this is Meir. I wish I had more work than I have these days, but I am having very good and essential work. I just finished a session with a wonderful lady that lost vision to cancer with one of her eyes. And as we did light therapy and therapy with her whole body, and as we worked on her healthy eye, the brain started to connect to the eye that the vision was not apparent in. And we discovered that she has vision in the eye that she lost. What she had was peripheral vision and not central. And what the brain did for her, it suppressed the vision in the eye that she lost. With the exercise we did, we brought back that vision. And the vision in the eye that sees became clearer. And it was so exciting to see how she sees more and more her hand from the side. And it reminded me of the case of a wonderful Indian girl or woman. Her name was Sarah, or though in India they call her Demolinik. And she had a wonderful father and a wonderful mother, and they brought her to me. And she said that she has 20% vision in her left eye, nearly legally blind, and no vision in the right eye. It's completely blind except for color. And I will never forget that I put her in a dark room, patched her left eye, put masking tape so no light will come in, and had light blinking. And then she was able to see the light within a minute, but she was able to see the lamp within 3 or 4 minutes. Then she could see my face, her mother's face, the practitioners who studied with me, she could see their face. And it's first time in 18 years that anybody imagined there was vision in that eye. In fact, we discovered that there was 5% vision in that eye that was never used. That the brain did not use that eye that was lazy. So, we patched the left seeing eye, got her to bounce on a trampoline. She was very uncomfortable bouncing with an eye that she never looked with. We walked up and down the street where we were, and she was able to look at large signs. And when we finished, the vision in the left eye, which was a seeing eye, improved to about 70% of normal vision. From 20% to 70. And the eye that didn't see had 5%, except when she came back at 10%, and the two eyes started to work together. For other people, it sounds like miracles. For me, it sounds like hard work. And truth of the matter is, you can always improve what you have. Your potential is tremendous. Your capacity is great. You only need to learn how. The new form of physiotherapy uses the brain. The brain, its flexibility, is what's going to move you forwards. Many blessings for a good weekend, Meir.